Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best rare tweets 5, 7, 12, 13, 14. The first tweet is called Shy Page Dots ets. And basically what this package does, initial release, so hide page dots when not scrolling. So there you go, the original Shy Page Dots, it hides themselves when not in use. They will appear when you start scrolling. This tweet's called Tacitus, a new Bluetooth connected experience. This week is called Key Plus and new keyboard experience. So these features are here. So added an option to seal with swiping keys. This week is called Lock Plus Pro and the ultimate lock screen tweak. This is called Creator Lock Plus Pro companion app, supports iOS 13 and 14. This is called Screen Dump, or is actually a tweak called Screen Dump Fits 14, made Screen Dump great again. Screen Dump with VNC for iOS. This is called Android Bar, feature pack quick action bar for Android, brings the Android navigation bar to iOS. This is called Melted Crayons. And welcome to a more colorful music experience. This is called Better Alarm, new design and many smart features for the alarm and timer. This is called Dock Spring, and respring your iPhone by swiping your dock up. This is called Aquarius, makes your lock screen player better. This is called PKG History, simple application that records your package history once you install it. This is called FB Freeze, disables Facebook Messenger read receipts. This is called Waggle Tunes, a customizable music controller for every setup. I wanted to mention with the tweak FB Freeze, sends preference plus short emoji shortcuts and more with the newest update. This tweak is called Fake Picture and taking pseudo selfies. So it's used for taking fake picture taking when apps ask to take a picture or selfie from the iPhone camera, so you can replace it with the image you set. It's a good way to protect your privacy. This tweak is called Gravity, Graver Board Alternative. This tweak is called Current and Wave Battery Indicator on the home screen. This tweak is called GPS Faker GPS, allows your simple GPS faking assistant. You also can change and fake your route. And you can actually fake your speed as well. That's pretty funny. This is called Live Undirect, a popular feature that turns Objective-C methods into unexplored C functions. This is called Stoner Reborn and makes your icons dance. This is called I Know Sleep and no longer compatible with ARM v7, force Wi-Fi to stay connected while the device sleeps. This is called Fiona, keep Wi-Fi always connected when the device gets disconnected. This is called Lock Glyph, as the Apple Pay completed payment animation to lock screen. This is called Hulu Life and Hulu No Ads requires Hulu app. This is called Backup AZ, and I guess iTunes back your device. It allows you to back up your tweets, sources, all this stuff right here. This is called Substitute and Substitute for code substitution. This is called Straight to Passcode. So this is called Straight to Passcode. The simple Face ID scan view when you sign up on the lock screen to go straight to the pass. Also, I do want to mention with a tweak called Translo. With that tweak, it allows you to translate, your your languages. So you translate text into different languages easily. Also, as a new feature with the newest update, allows you to translate your notifications. So you swipe on the notifications to clear them. You're going to see an option comes up to translate, that text for that notification. So this is called V-Color Screen. Tweet that helps set the video as a background of incoming or outgoing calls. This is called Prefits UI and developer framework for making nice looking preferences. This is called Plus for Instagram and Instagram alternative to Instagram Plus for the Instagram app inside the App Store. There are all these features. It's called YouTube Plus and your most complete YouTube tweak. It's a YouTube Plus alternative. This is called Insta Tools and makes the things that Instagram is able to do come true. This is called Instagram Plus Legacy and it's basically an Instagram Plus alternative. Really similar, same devs as Plus for Instagram. This is called Auto Redial. And auto redial when busy lines. Some countries this could be kind of spam, so it doesn't allow you to use this tweak in some countries. So you just get your own risk. You've been warned. I or the developer are both not responsible for how you guys use this tweak. This is called Bar Emoji, adds quick access emoji bar to stock keyboard. This is called Fast Del, and this is called Fast Del. And the tweak disables the annoying delete word function, enables rapid character deletion instantly. I want to mention with Translo, version 3.0.5, it adds Snapper 2 and notification supports. Update Translo, update Snapper 2, and you should have Translo as one of the features for Snapper 2. Also, same thing with Translomatic. I prefer Translomatic, but Translomatic and Translo basically do the same thing. It's two different developers. Next week's called Select Emoji. And that's just favorite emoji anywhere, anytime.